My name is Cole of New Orleans, Louisiana, United States, and I made a smart bin that can identify factors of trash generation. And to make this trash bin, I use an ultrasonic sensor and a Arduino MKR1000. Using this smart bin, I made a system that can tell me how full it is and the date at which such data was recorded. And testing this system, I tested this system in two locations of a school, the classroom or the hallway. And now looking further into these locations, I also tested them twice, depending on whether or not the location I chose was close to a higher density population or has a high proximity to a dense population. And now after testing these locations with this smart bin, I found that there seems to be three factors of trash generation: time, proximity, and purpose of use. I found that time, it was a factor that existed because classrooms tended to fill consistently before plateauing at a certain point. This is because of the class periods that end up ending and everyone leaving the classrooms. On the other hand, hallways tended to fill consistently throughout the entire process because there's no set time for these hallways to be filled. I also found that proximity has a play because locations that had high proximity to other locations filled much more as compared to their isolated counterparts. Lastly, I found that purpose of use had a play because classrooms in general tended to fill much more than their hallways. This is because classrooms have much bigger generators of trash, such as classwork and food, as compared to a hallway where there's not much of any reason for anybody to be wandering around with trash in the hallways. And now, since I found that this smart bin works in schools, I decided that this can also be used in cities where waste pollution is a really big issue and can be used to help minimize waste pollution by helping formulate solutions.